Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to season some curry chicken. Let's go. Right now I'm sprinkling some herbal spices. Make sure I get enough in there.
Because there's actually 3 bags of leg quarter. So it's 30 pounds of chicken.
30 pounds of chicken cut up real small for curry. You know, drop in the spices. It looks like there's a lot,
but it's not. Because when you start stirring up, you gonna act like you ain't gonna see the seasoning. To be honest with you, it'll look complete.
Put some complete seasoning in there. It's best to. I always season my meats in a bucket, so it be keep clean as I go.
Now we're gonna add some cut up peppers and onions.
See that? The peppers and onions. Some thyme.
I don't know what a lot of people call them, but wherever you go, I see thyme on the packet, so I assume they thyme.
And now
we're gonna add a little bit more.
A little bit more. Sprinkle some more.
Yes, sir. Now we're gonna put a little bit of that yard curry.
Yes, sir.
Straight from Jamaica, you know how we do woo. With curry, you know, you gotta be careful on curry because, you know, definitely when you're doing curry, I advise anybody, please put gloves on because, man, you will go wash your hands for months, still see yellow.
Yeah, so you always make sure you guys have on gloves when you're seasoning.
Get your 2 hands ready.
See? It's real easy.
That's why, like he suggested earlier, get a bucket.
Get a bucket. See how that's coming out? See this big bucket? We got it from Home Depot.
Might need to add a little more curry.
Yeah.
Add some more curry. Curry right here.
We're gonna add a little bit more curry to give it that yellow look for you guys.
All right. Should be good now.
Always make sure you guys have that proper rotation going. So each piece of chicken get that seasoning in it.
You know, I would like to call it that personal touch, where everybody get touched that way. Nobody don't feel left out. Look at that. Ooh.
And it smells good too.
Smells right.
Smells real good.
There you go, guys. As always,
don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Give us some tips on how you guys season your curry chicken. Over and out.